Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of when you're surfing the web in internet, so there's a problem. It seems that there is a problem with the website security certificate. So if you want to surf the web and this prompt up and there's called that there's a problem with website security certificate. So the main problem about this problem is that the time problem. So if you have not the right time in your laptop or whatever device you have, so you just have to change the time, the right location of your time and the right time you have to choose it. So if you don't know how to change the time, you just have to go to your time and date option here and right click here, and you can see there's an option called adjust date time. So you just have to put the right time of your location here. So you just have to see here if you have to choose the right time zone here. So if you just expand it and you have to choose the right country or the city you're living in, the right time here. So the main problem of this website security certificate problem is the time zone and the time settings that you have in your laptop device. So I'm in Dhaka here, so I'm going to choose it. Or if you have other city here, the exact location, you have to select the time zone here. So first you just have to uncheck the set time automatically here. Then you can, when you choose the right option, then you can choose the set time automatically here. If the time is still not the correct, you can turn off the set time automatically here, and you can see there's a option called change. So you can change the time manually here. So you can see your clock and change the time manually here. So see, you can see the change the time here. And so if it doesn't work correct, so you can just synchronize to your clock. Click on synchronize your clock, and that's it. That will, when you're surfing the web, the problem will be gone. The website security certificate fixed. So that's the fix the problem of there's a problem with the secure website security certificate. So that's the main problem of every security certificate website fix here. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.